Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Ledger Nano X, full guide. First, connect your Ledger Nano X to your phone or computer and open Ledger Live. Create or restore your wallet and set a secure PIN, then install the XRP app on the device. Next, add an XRP account in Ledger Live so you can receive and manage XRP securely and prepare to buy using an external exchange or swap service. Now decide how you want to buy XRP, via an exchange that allows direct withdrawals to hardware wallets or by using an in-app swap provider. Compare fees, verification requirements, and withdrawal limits so you pick the best option for your situation. If using an exchange, complete KYC, purchase XRP, then withdraw to your Ledger XRP address. If swapping in Ledger Live, follow the on-screen prompts and approve the transaction on your device for added security. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video so I can continue making helpful crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless while you monitor your Ledger Nano X. It's a handy way to free up time for portfolio checks and security. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you're ready to receive XRP, open your XRP account in Ledger Live and select Receive to show your wallet address. Always verify that the address displayed on your Ledger Nano X matches Ledger Live before sending funds, and confirm the first transaction with a small test amount. After the test succeeds, transfer the remaining XRP, keeping an eye on network fees and destination tags, if required by the sending platform, to ensure the funds arrive safely and accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.